How to update tax information in AdSense YouTube. Since we are required to update our tax information, so we have to update our United States tax info. If you are individual, just toggle the individual, and if you are citizens of United States, just toggle yes or no. So since I'm not a citizen of United States, so I just toggle the no and then go to W-8BEN and then just click the start to fill up that form. So just wait patiently. And so first, the name of individual, so just your name and your country, your region. So since I'm from Philippines, so we just look for Philippines. So for the taxpayer identification number, since I don't remember how I answered it before, so I just skip it first, then just go right away for the next, which is the address. So just write your address, your permanent residence, and then the country of your residence. So just fill up all the information needed, and then your billing address usually from your IDs. So it's supposed to be the same as in your IDs. Then click next. So from here, we're just done for the address, and we will go to tax treaty. So from here, we are claiming to reduce the rate of withholding under a tax treaty. So usually it was they are imposing 30% withholding tax on payments for our income from our YouTube AdSense. So since we are we're claiming to reduce the rate, so just toggle the yes and click the resident of the following country within the meaning of the income tax treaty between the United States and that country, and click the Philippines. So this is the most important part. So we have to click the other copyright royalties, and as you click it, it's supposed to be the article 13 and paragraph 2A, and withholding rate supposed to be 15%. And click toggle or check as a tax resident of the country identified. And then the next is the services or other business income. Just click it, and then article 8, and then supposed to be 0% reduced treaty rate. So usually the default rate is 30%, but we're trying to reduce it, so it's supposed to be 0%. And as the same as a tax resident, just check it, the box. And then the motion picture and TV royalties, check the box, and then the article 13 and the withholding rate supposed to be 15% to reduce the treaty tax. So we have to answer or fill up a foreign tin. So we have to go back to the step 1. Just remember we skip 1, that's it, the foreign tin. So before, I don't have BIR tin like that. So since I already have, I just write the number of your tin ID. But if you don't have the tin ID, whatever you used before filing your tax information for YouTube, I think you can use it again just to update this tax information, and then just review it again And here the tax reporting. So if you want go paperless, which is they will deliver. So now here in tax reporting, so you have to choose by the way, we have skipped the number 4, so activities and services performed in US. So since I'm not in US, so I just toggle the no and then check the box that I certify that the services provided to Google or its affiliates will be performed solely outside the US. Then click the next. And then we'll go to tax reporting again. So go paperless or go through your email rather. So now since we're done, just I'm reviewing all the forms that we are submitted, that we already filled up, and then double check all the information, and then the tax rate reduced. And if you're done, just click next and then click the box under the penalties of perjury. I declare that, and you have all the time to read all of this. And if you already good with that, so check the box. So I certified under penalties again of perjury, so I change the status affidavit. So from here, so I just type this year, the 2026, and then just review it again and your full legal name under it. Then that's it. Then next. So we're just waiting if we are approved or not. And finally, the status approved. So we already claimed the 15% reduced rate for motion picture TV and other copyright, 15% and 0% for services. And that's all. Thank you for watching.